Hello everyone, I am Pradeep and I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to burst some myths related to our course, that is Chartered Accountancy, in short CA. There are many misconceptions which are just rumors or the point of view of society. One of the myths is CA is extremely tough. Guys, the first thing that we should understand that no professional course is easy. Okay, this is gonna be your future, your career, your everything. Obviously, this has to be difficult, or else everywhere you will find CA, right? You won't have demand. You won't get that respect that you desire for. So clean your mind and just start it. It's not that difficult. Even when we are in class 12, we have to give our boards. That time we also find it difficult, right? Now we feel it like okay, board was easy, but for that time it was difficult. Same thing happens in CA. Once you join the course, you won't find it very much difficult. You will find it that okay, it needs hard work and dedication. If you give proper dedication, proper time to studies, okay, you will clear it, no problem. You will one day you will become chartered accountant. So just start it. Don't hear what others say. Whatever they say, it's not always true, right? So no, it is not extremely tough. It is moderate if you study. And remember one thing, whether any courses or any exam is tough or not, it depends on your preparation, not on the exam paper. So just start it. So the another myth is like CA requires IQ. In short, you must be a good student, 95, 96% marks, then only you can join CA. Guys, it's not like that. I am an average student. I have taken this course and yeah, it is going pretty well. Even some of my friends who has 95%, they also failed it. They also was not able to clear. It's not about how much was your percentage. CA don't require your percentage. Even when you go to apply the form, they will only require that you are pass. Just pass. They don't require any okay, you must have 60%, you must have 70%. So this is not true. Okay, just remove this thinking that to choose CA or to join CA you must be good at studies. No, you just need to put hard work and enough. It's enough, right? So we have busted 2 myths too. So the third one is whether graduation is necessary for or not. So this is not a myth, but many people have this misconception that okay, graduation is necessary. No, I am pursuing my BCom from Bangalore and also CA. Okay, joining the course is there are 2 options. First, direct entry. You can directly join CA intermediate, and another is after class 12 you can give your foundation and join it. Okay, for any other query related to how to enter or ways, you can comment. I will make another video. So the next, that is the 4th myth, is CA needs sacrifice, or you need to sacrifice everything for CA. The truth is no. CA don't require everything of your life. CA just require you will have to sacrifice some unnecessary activities, like roaming with your friends for every time, right? Give allot proper time to studies, to your life, other activities. It's okay. CA never says, or institute never says you have to study 24 hours. If you're in foundation, it's okay if you study 8 hours. If you're an inter, it's okay if you study 12 hours. It's not like 24 hours. And once you join the course, trust me, you will study. The course will make you study. It's not like you have to think, and you are thinking like, okay, how much I will study? 8 hours a day. It's not possible for me. Guys, trust me, once you join the course, it won't be like that. So the fifth misconception is CA is only for commerce student. Guys, frankly speaking, no. Anyone can join this course, whether you are from science, arts, commerce. Even my friends are joined from science. And yeah, they are doing well. CA doesn't require you for you to from commerce. It's okay. It just required hard work. Seriously, in every myth, the only thing that I am repeating again and again is hard work. You have to study. Just see, it doesn't require anything else. The sixth misconception is CA's passing percentage is very low. That is, it varies from various levels. Like for foundation, it's 30 to 40%, inter 18 to 20%, final it depends 8 to 12%, or maybe even lesser. Guys, don't see the negative side. See the positive side. Now, once you become a chartered accountant, you don't have to think about your career. You don't have to think, okay, there are many CAs in the market, your demand will be less in the future. No. Just compare to any other course like engineering. Every year, more than 3 lakh fresh graduates come into the market. Whereas about how many CAs comes in the market? 4,000, 5,000, max to max 10,000, right? It won't cross that mark. So don't just preconceptualize your mind that okay, this is very tough, the percentage is very low. Be happy the percentage is low. Once you clear it, you are done. You don't have to think about any other thing, right? So just start it. Trust me, it is not that difficult. You can also do. Even if I can do it, you can also do, right? Just start it, and don't listen to everyone. Not everyone, whatever they say is true. I repeated the same sentence twice because yeah, I also have these misconceptions in my mind before choosing CA. And the last and the most important or most complicated question, or you can say myth. Does it require to have maths? Guys, in foundation you will be having one subject called quantitative aptitude. In there you have to study maths, but trust me, that doesn't mean you need to have maths in your class 11 and 12. If you have studied maths till your class 10, it's definitely okay, because for foundation, if you join any coaching center, obviously they will teach you the subject, and it's not that difficult. Even I didn't have maths in my 11 and 12, still I was able to clear, because it is not that difficult. There is just misconceptions, right? So join it. Okay, you don't have the fear of maths. The coaching institute will take care of that. Okay, so just do it. Best of luck for your future. And if you have any query, the comment section is always open for you. You can comment your query, or you can follow me on Instagram in this ID, and yeah, I will be there for you for your any query. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, like, share and subscribe, and if you think it is helpful for you, share with your friends. Maybe it will clear their misconceptions, maybe they can enroll for CA. Bye bye, take care.